Hi everyone, Tracy McBride here, wanting to show you how to make an assignment on Canvas. One of the easiest ways to make an assignment on Canvas is to do so through the module that you want it to be located in. We organize everything at Notre Dame through modules, whether those are week by week, as you see here, or if they are unit-based. So this is a unit-based module. It was final exam study materials, and I put everything that they needed for the final exam there. For the most part, in my English class, I like to organize things week by week because we have a lot of moving pieces. I think it's easier for kids to understand what's expected of them and what the homework is. But whatever your department and what your teacher content team has decided to do, within a module, if you want to start an assignment, you're going to come to the module and you're going to click the plus sign, and you're going to add an assignment by clicking Create Assignment. I'm going to give the assignment a name. I'm going to say Test Assignment so that I can find it later to delete it. And I am going to click Add Item. The reason why I like to add things into the module as well is because it's really easy to find it. Once it adds it, it'll automatically put it at the bottom and it will automatically be unpublished. So let's go ahead and go into the assignment and look at some of the options that you have to work with. We're going to click Edit. And now we can add things. For example, if you wanted to add the details for the assignment, I would do here. This is going to be kind of the body of the assignment. I could also, in this same space, insert a document, piece of media, an image, or a link. If I wanted them to say, watch a video and then do something, I could do all of that here. Once I've determined the details, I'm going to set a point value under points. So I'm going to say 10 points because that's my typical go-to number. And then I'm going to give it an assignment group. Now, at Notre Dame, we use formative, summative assignments. So this is going to be a formative assignment, which most things are going to be. I want it to display the grade as points, though you can do complete and incomplete or percentages. I always use points. And then I want to give it a submission type. Submission type sounds like a detail that might not be important, but it's actually really important for parents as well to understand what's being turned in. So is it something they're turning in online that they're going to use Canvas to submit on? Is it something that's turned in on paper, or are you using an external tool? So for example, Turnitin is an external tool that you would set up here. I'm going to say that this is online, which gives me some extra options. If I were to say that it was on paper, that would be the only thing that I would need to notate. Since it's online, I need to decide the kind of online entry that they're allowed to do. I typically will use a file upload. However, if it's something where I want them to just write a quick journal, I might just use a text entry and file upload and give them the option of what they want to do. If you're having students do something that's multimedia, let's say make something on Canva and turn in, you could do a website, media recording, and file upload. There's lots of different options. These are all boxes. It's not one or the other. And you can also restrict the file type. Sometimes I like to force them to upload a PDF so that I can check their MLA formatting to make sure they're doing it that way. And so I will restrict it to a PDF. You could also do a doc or a docx file if you want to make sure that you can open it as well, since we don't have pages to open things in Pages. So all of those things are kind of at your discretion. Students' attempts, I always do unlimited. It will always show you the most recent submission, but you don't have to let them do that. This is also where you can set it to be a group assignment, and you can either assign them individually or you can create a new group right here. And then you're going to say when it is due. So I'll give it a due date. Let's go with July 1st. I'm going to give it a time. I typically set my homework to be due at 10 o'clock. But that is a conversation for you and your department to have. After I go through all of these options, and I know that there's a lot of moving pieces to each of these assignments, it's very individualized of how you want to do that. So have those conversations in your content team to have some similarities and equitability. And then I'm going to click Save and Publish. Once I do that, you're going to see that this is green. And if I go back to the module where I uploaded it, you're going to see that that little circle is going to be green. That shows that it is uploaded into that week 2 module. From there, let's find it. From here, I can move this within the module by clicking right here on these dots, and then I can drag it up. Maybe I want that under Wednesday, and now it's going to sit under Wednesday's assignment. All right. Now, if you need to make any changes, you can always click into the assignment and change it. And you can make edits here. If you wanted to delete the assignment, it would seem like you could do that here, but you cannot. You have to go into the assignments tab, and you have to find the assignment to delete it. Now, there is this nifty search feature at the top, so I can put in test assignment, and I can go ahead and I can delete this assignment. I'm sure. That's it, all done. So the next video that I'll upload is about quizzes and some of the usability there. Hope this was helpful, and if you have questions, please feel free to reach out.